Cool. Hey, my name is Taylor. I do audio and music for a living. And if your keyboard is not working, here's the things you should check. First off, make sure the volume's turned on. You can go through all these things checking, and sometimes it's just the volume. Make sure it's powered up. If there's batteries, make sure those are fresh. Make sure the power is plugged in and working. On this keyboard here in the studio, we just had the power go out where the jack broke, so we had to fix that. So check the jack, plug it in and out. If you're not getting power, check the outlet, but make sure it's plugged in. Then if it's powered up, volume's up, you got a good patch going that you know works, like the default patch of your keyboard or your synth. Check the jack on a different synth I had. The plug-in in the back worked, and we moved our way from like left mono to right mono to headphone, and all of those jacks went out, so we had to finally fix them. But make sure those can plug in, those are working. A quick way to check if it's the jack or the cable or something further down the chain, just pull the cable out, touch the cable. If you're getting signal either in your DAW or your amp or through the system, you can hear it, and then it's probably your jack, or it's not turned up, or any of the previous things we talked about. But if those are good and you still haven't found the problem, keep moving. Make sure it's plugged into the direct box or your interface, however you are translating that sound out. When I was doing a bunch of mobile sound gigs, we'd set up the keyboard and then we would totally forget to just plug it into the direct box. We'd run the cables and everything to the snake, but we just forgot to plug it in. So make sure it's all plugged in. That's usually all troubleshooting is, just going down the list. It's so exciting, I know, but it's a good checklist to have. So that's how you troubleshoot your keyboard. If none of those work, you probably need to just take it into a real repair shop. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I love funny stories too. Comment below with those. Then like the video if you do like it. Pass it on to a keyboard player you know or a home producer. Then subscribe, and I'll keep posting more videos, I promise. Thanks. Bye-bye.